into 6 inch.
Perfect. And you marked it, so now you're ready to cut. All right, good luck.
So we're having a summer camp at Saddlewood, and our students are learning hands-on, high student engagement, math, reading, science activities with lots of problem solving. So we're really doing hands-on, high student engagement with real-world applications. So today they're actually making a mini wind turbine, and as you can see, we're using our maker space, which we haven't been able to utilize this year a lot because of COVID. So we're really doing those activities that we weren't able to do as much, and kind of back to that brick and mortar, high student engagement and student collaboration.
Just like that.
What do we tell Mr. Lanza?
Thank you.
Okay.
They're just happy to be at school. We're happy to be back on campus, and many of our students that were online students are here in summer school, and we're so excited to have them, and we're just seeing those smiles, and they're excited to be here, and they're excited to be learning in that brick and mortar environment. What's that word? You got it.
My favorite part about summer school is how we are practicing 5th grade skills, because I'm about to move to the 5th grade level. I did like online school in the start because my teacher was Miss Goldner. She was amazing and fun, but then when I got to the 3rd quarter, 4th quarter, I started getting bored because I didn't like sitting on the computer all day. So I wanted to go back, so I asked my mom to go back. And then it turned out to be fun. I actually made friends, and I had a happy time here.
We are really excited to have our students back on campus. From that online environment to that brick and mortar environment, they're doing very well, and they are just so excited to be back in school and get to collaborate with their friends and collaborate with their teachers.